Yeah.
Ken?
I just spoke with the owner.
All right, Angel, tell me the story.
Her name is Joyce.
She lives in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, in the Old Cedar Road,
Okay.
a farm property. Her husband, John,
Was obsessed with
Lamborghini since the 70s. Posters on his walls, magazines stacked everywhere, all that stuff.
Got it. We're on our way now. Later.
Yeah, we just arrived at the location. It's definitely out here in the fields.
Hello? It's the mechanic. Are you home?
My name is Ken. I'm here to take care of your car. Did you get a call from Angel?
Yes, I did. Thank you for coming.
Can you please take me where your husband's car is?
Yes, it will be my pleasure. Come follow me.
Thank you, ma'am.
They bought this car in 1990 and had so much fun driving it. Unfortunately, John died the following year. For 3 years, this car was her everyday companion. Then, she gradually became lonely and got very depressed. In the end, the car and her only adopted son are all Joyce has. Then, one day, Joyce decided to park her car inside her garage house. Left it there for good.
You got it? All right, locked in.
It's gonna be okay, Mom. She will be back soon.
I know, son. It's just miss her and your dad already.
This has been a long day for both of us, Ray. Go get some rest, and I'll see you tomorrow.
You got it. See you tomorrow.
Time to bring this beauty back to life.
Needs a complete overhaul.
I see what you mean.
We'll have to start from scratch.
Can we even save it?
We have to try. It appears we got a lot fixing to do.
Just need to get this bolt loose. A lot of work ahead. Worth saving, definitely. All right, just a little bit more. Get that perfect shine.
All right, Ken. It's late. Let's come back tomorrow.
You got it.
Steady, just a little to the right. Got it. Perfect. Wow. No doubt this thing is a monster.
I know. She is alive again, Ken. How are you, Miss Joyce? I am here to deliver your husband's car. What do you think?
I just can't even believe this. Look at you. Oh my God, it's been a while. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
For a moment, it feels like John is still here.
Yeah.
I haven't heard this engine in 30 years. Your dad would have loved this.
I did it for you, Mom. I contacted the mechanics. Felt like it deserved another life.
It's like he's still with us, riding along.
Yeah, we brought a piece of him back.